Have you ever walked through a forest and looked up at the branches above you, twisting and reaching in every direction like nature's own sculpture? There's something peaceful, grounding, and incredibly artistic about the form of tree branches. They seem to tell stories with their shapes, some gentle and smooth, others rugged and expressive. When we bring that kind of raw, organic beauty into our homes as wall art, something magical happens. The space feels more alive, more connected. And in a world that's constantly moving faster, tree branch wall art is like hitting the pause button and letting nature speak for itself. Tree branch wall art has this timeless, earthy elegance that appeals to people from all walks of life. It's not flashy or overly polished. It doesn't try too hard to impress. Instead, it invites the viewer in slowly, offering detail and texture that you can stare at for hours without getting bored. The irregularities in the wood, the twists and turns, the soft curves and sharp bends, they all contribute to a kind of storytelling that feels more honest and grounded than any mass-produced wall piece. What's especially beautiful about using branches as wall decor is that no two are ever alike. Every piece of tree branch wall art is inherently one of a kind. You could search through 100 branches and not find another that curves or splits quite the same way. That uniqueness becomes part of your home's story. It's not just decor, it's a piece of nature frozen in time, given a new life on your wall. Some designs focus on showcasing a single branch, long, elegant, sometimes bleached or stained, sometimes left completely raw. Others build more complex compositions, combining multiple branches to form patterns, shapes, or flowing designs that feel almost abstract. When mounted on clean, minimalist walls, the contrast between the organic material and the modern background creates a striking visual effect that immediately draws the eye. And then there's the lighting. Tree branch wall art absolutely comes alive under the right lighting. Whether it's warm-toned LED strips casting shadows or spotlights that highlight the texture of the bark, light interacts with these natural forms in incredible ways. The shadows alone can be art. You get these dancing silhouettes that change throughout the day, responding to how the light falls. It turns a simple wall into a dynamic space that constantly evolves. Many people also love to pair tree branch wall art with other natural elements, stones, dried flowers, or even metal accents. Imagine a raw wood branch framed in matte black steel, or a piece with subtle copper inlays that catch the light. The fusion of organic and industrial elements can be incredibly compelling. It's the balance between softness and strength, chaos and structure, that makes this kind of art feel so captivating. There's also a deeper, more symbolic connection to consider. Branches often represent growth, connection, and reaching for something beyond. When you place them on your wall, you're not just decorating, you're creating a narrative. It can symbolize your journey, your roots, your resilience. It can remind you of where you've come from and where you're going. And unlike typical framed prints or generic wall hangings, this kind of artwork speaks from the heart. It's honest, it's imperfect, it's alive with character. Another thing that makes tree branch wall art so satisfying is the way it integrates with different styles of interior design. You'd be surprised how versatile it is. In a minimalist space, a carefully chosen branch mounted on a white wall becomes the centerpiece, subtle yet powerful. In a rustic or cabin-style interior, a more rugged, bark-covered piece can blend seamlessly, adding depth and authenticity. Even in ultramodern homes where sleek lines dominate, the contrast of a raw, twisting branch can soften the space and add a refreshing layer of texture. You can also find interpretations of tree branch art that go beyond literal form. Some artists use cut branches to create geometric arrangements, like mandalas or radial patterns, on wide wall panels. Others assemble them into flowing designs that mimic rivers, wind, or waves. These more abstract styles still hold the spirit of the tree, but they also let the imagination roam. Viewers may see different things in the patterns, much like looking at clouds. Another popular trend is using painted or partially painted branches. A natural branch with its ends dipped in gold or silver paint becomes this striking blend of rustic and glam. Or imagine a piece where only one side of the branch is painted white, creating a visual line that contrasts sharply against a darker background. These subtle touches elevate the natural form, highlighting its beauty without overpowering it. One of the most emotionally rich ways tree branch wall art can be used is in memory or tribute pieces. Some people use branches from a meaningful tree, perhaps one that grew on family land or one that was planted during a special time. By preserving and displaying that branch in their home, they carry a piece of that memory with them every day. It becomes more than art. It becomes a connection. A living reminder of people, places, and moments that matter. And let's talk about the craftsmanship. While some tree branch wall art is left raw and simple, other pieces involve hours of delicate work. Artists might strip bark, sand the surfaces, shape the ends, seal with oils, or even add carvings. Some even combine woodworking techniques with sculptural skills, bending, steaming, or manipulating branches into certain forms without losing their natural essence. It's a skill that requires patience, intuition, and a real respect for the material. In homes where sustainability is valued, tree branch art makes perfect sense. It's often created using reclaimed wood or fallen branches, meaning there's no need to cut down healthy trees. This kind of mindful creation resonates with people who want their living spaces to reflect not only beauty but values. When you decorate with nature, you remind yourself, and anyone who enters, that beauty can exist without waste, that art can be responsible, and that your home can echo the rhythms of the earth. Tree branch wall art also encourages a slower, more thoughtful approach to interior design. It's not about filling every wall with something trendy. It's about curating a space that feels calm, connected, and true to you. When you hang a branch on your wall, you're making a statement that says, "I find beauty in the natural world. I value simplicity. I'm not in a rush to cover up the raw elegance of nature with artificial shine." Another beautiful aspect is how customizable it is. You might find a piece of driftwood while walking on a beach and decide to turn it into a wall sculpture. Or you might work with a local artist to craft something from a branch that holds personal meaning. You can stain it dark or bleach it pale. You can mount it flat or let it reach out from the wall in 3D. The possibilities are endless, and they all start with something as simple as a fallen branch. Tree branch wall art can also be incredibly grounding in today's fast-paced, digital-heavy world. Think about how much of our daily life revolves around screens, notifications, artificial lights, and the relentless buzz of constant connectivity. In the middle of all that noise, it's soothing, deeply soothing, to have something in your home that brings you back to the earth. There's no glowing LED here, no need to swipe, scroll, or respond. Just the quiet presence of something real, something natural. A branch, a shape, a form that once danced in the wind and soaked up the rain. Something that reminds you to slow down, take a breath, and reconnect with what truly matters. That's the quiet magic of bringing nature indoors, not in a synthetic or curated way, but in its rawest, most honest form. When you place a tree branch on the wall, you're not just decorating a space. You're inviting nature into your life. You're creating a dialogue between the outdoors and your inner world. It's a whisper in the room, a soft presence that asks for nothing but offers a calming sense of balance in return. And maybe, just maybe, that's the most satisfying thing of all. The way a simple piece of wood, shaped over years by the elements, by wind, sun, rain, and time, can still make us feel something so profound. No bells or whistles. No complicated materials or flashy designs. Just the elegance of form, the texture of bark, the lines that nature carved without any blueprint. It's a reminder that art doesn't have to be loud or shiny or polished to be powerful. Sometimes the most moving creations are the ones that speak softly. The ones that stand in quiet corners and change how a space feels, not by commanding attention but by gently inviting you in. In a world where everything is fighting to be seen, heard, and clicked on, tree branch wall art stands apart. It doesn't shout. It doesn't compete. It simply exists with grace, patience, and presence. And in doing so, it reminds us to do the same. So whether you're already a fan of natural decor or you're just now discovering the subtle beauty of tree branch wall art, take this as an invitation. An invitation to look more closely at the world around you. To step outside not just to pass through but to notice the curve of a fallen branch, the texture of bark, the twist of a twig. To see art not only in galleries or curated design magazines, but in the forest, in your garden, in the untrimmed edge of a path or the overlooked shadow on a fence. It's an invitation to bring those overlooked pieces of beauty into your home. To let them transform your space, not with noise or glitter but with peace, authenticity, and grace. To choose connection over clutter. To make room in your life for something that doesn't demand your time but gives you back your sense of presence. Because at the end of the day, tree branch wall art isn't just about decor. It's about remembering who we are. Rooted, natural, creative, and part of a much bigger, quieter, more beautiful story than we often take time to notice.